Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this GIMBELEN high pressure shower head. I'll be doing an install of this as well. So quite simple design here. This doesn't rotate or anything. Pretty much just going to screw this onto our spigot there in the wall. It does come with some plumber tape as well. Just screw that on and this will be able to rotate around, give us a good field of fire there. So this restricts your water down to 1.75 gallons per minute, so that's good. Low water flow, don't waste as much water for your shower. Also, consequently, you can take a longer, harder shower because you're using less water. Anyways, my friends, let's go do an install and show you how to do it. Okay, my friends, so here we go. Pretty much just screw this right on here. If you do need to use the plumber's tape, you can just apply that around there and screw it on. And I would just try it first. If it doesn't leak there, then not necessary. Just snug that on there. And usually all you do is hand tighten it and it should be just fine. Let's check out the water flow there, shall we? Ah, there we go. It's pretty nice. As we can see, super easy install and does kind of rotate around there a little bit if you want. I don't know, I wouldn't want it shooting too much anywhere but straight down. But it's a little flexible here. Doesn't seem to want to stay up there, but it'll, I don't know if you can tighten that up or not so it stays up, but I don't know, that's pretty high. It'd be basically shooting right on the wall, so right about there is perfect anyways. And then, yeah, just works nice and simple and easy to install in just seconds. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends.